this committee is there at the district level where all the representatives are there. We have Goa Can is there, Transport Department is there, Police Department is there, and Insurance Agency is the member secretary. So for hit and run cases where the vehicles are not identified, there this claim settlement officer is there, and from the deputy collectors we receive the proposal along with the medical report, along with the report from the police, FIR copy, everything, and then we process it here and send it to the insurance agency, who then approve the claim. So today we called the family members and handed over these checks to them, and payment has been disbursed to them. And we will, from the district side, we will try to expedite all these cases, and periodically we will hold the district level meeting also. And all health authorities, police authorities have also been sensitized to promptly register the case and to submit the report. And from deputy collector, it will come to us, and immediately we will disburse these cases. So every month we will keep convening these meetings so that there is no pendency kept at the district level.
So these cases are hit and run cases.
Hit and run, correct.
अभी कितना दो दिया है ना सर? दो victim.
And I think
one is injury and one is death. So injury it is 50,000 and death it is 2 lakhs. So these are the first, actually in North Goa district, these are the first 2 cases which have been processed. So I think it is a very good thing. It will create the necessary awareness that is required for people to apply and claim the money.
How many cases are there like this? Hit and run?
Processing, we will have to check. Today's meeting will
so there are another couple of 2-3 cases are there. Those are also under process, and we will ensure that they are also promptly cleared.